Prepárate. Let me see you jump. Prepárate. Get ready. Get. Niña. Ahí vaya. Todo el mundo. Let me see you jump.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today I got a ton of crap behind me. Look at that. I have done my monthly declutter, and I will insert a little bit of clip. I don't want to pull this all out like I did last time. It's kind of hard to point like that. Like I did last time because I had a lot less last time. I've got like 4 huge bags, and actually 3 huge bags and a box back there. It's a ton of stuff. And this is my second declutter of March. The first one, I didn't film at all. I did take some still shots of like the bags and the boxes piled high on my front porch that were marked to come, you know, for people to come pick it up, like the donation trucks. I usually go through Purple Heart, and I schedule it all online. And so that is already gone, thankfully. I think that was the first week in March I got that out. I kind of got that I need to get stuff out of my house feeling. So I did that, and I scheduled it, and like 2 days later they came and picked it all up, and I was very happy about that. And now I have this. I've been working on this for the last 2 weeks, and it's just got to go. So I don't want to waste the time. I don't want to waste my time and your time pulling everything out. But there's a ton of clothes. There's some of my clothes, all 3 of my kids' clothes. There's so much stuff. All of my kids seem to have hit a growth spurt at the same time, so they're all kind of going to the next size up, and that's part of why there is so much stuff here. And I watch a ton of videos when I have time. Been a little bit behind on watching videos lately, but I have noticed some people do declutters and then they sell stuff on Poshmark. I'm not familiar with Poshmark. I've never done it. I've never sold on there. I've never shopped on there. But I've got a ton of clothes, and like there's some nice brands in there too. Really good quality clothing, and barely used some of it because my kids grow so stinking fast. If you guys have shopped on Poshmark before or even sold on Poshmark, give me a little bit of the details down below, because I'm kind of curious. Is it worth it to do that? I originally was going to do ThreadUp. I was going to send stuff to ThreadUp, but what you get back from them is negligible. So if I'm going to take the time to do a lot of work with it, I either want to just donate it and be done with it, or make a little bit of coin back for it. So if you guys are familiar with Poshmark or something along those lines, let me know if it is worth it, if it was worth it for you as a buyer or a seller, because I just don't know, and I don't know if it's going to be worth my time to do that. And like I said, just let me know what you think about Poshmark, if you think any of this stuff would sell on there, if it's worth selling on there, or if it's better just to donate it and get it out of my life so I don't have to worry about it, because I really could go either way with this thing. All right, that is everything for this monthly declutter. I am sure that I will be doing it again next month, because I am on this journey to better my life through like my health, my sanity, my mental health, which is getting stuff out of my house that I don't need. I want to be a better version of me, if at all possible. So that's what I'm working on. That is my journey right now. So if you got any tips or suggestions, throw them down in the comments, because I am all ears. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you on my next video, have a beautiful day.